This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Working in the luggage compartment, pull open the relevant side panel trim flap for access to the rear of the light cluster. Unscrew the plastic wing nut. Using a blunt plastic tool, carefully prise the light cluster rearwards a little to release the clips. Depress the clips and disconnect the wiring plug. Squeeze together the clips each side and detach the bulb holder assembly from the light cluster. Depress the relevant bulb, twist it anti-clockwise slightly and remove it. The bayonet pins on most of the bulbs are offset. The bulb will only fit correctly in one position. Align the pins with the slots in the bulb holder. Then insert the bulb and twist it clockwise to secure. Refit the bulb holder assembly to the light cluster. Then press it in to engage the retaining clips. Reconnect the wiring plug. Align the light cluster clips with the holes in the vehicle body. Then press it firmly into place. Refit and tighten the plastic wing nut. Refit the side trim panel flap.